Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a PK on Bigo Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Go Live. Once you are live, you can see a PK icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on PK. You can start a PK with your friends or random people in the internet. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.